Ay, nakakaantok. Ito yung napakasarap na ibinigay ng Panginoon sa atin, yung antok. Yung masarap ba yung tulog mo? Kung wala kang atraso, gumagawa ka ng tama, walang hassle sa kapwa, meron akong ginawang tula na hinahandog ko po sa buong mundo. Pinamagatang People of Moral. People are the picture or features with a festivals of wisdoms. That's why the world is in progress, but the culture of moral is almost in vain. We are free, keep going as to flow our own styles in a different things and in so many ways. Why not we stand and to reach even the peak of the highest dreams only into the truth in peace with confidence, cause no man above in education, no man above the law, no man above into the highest immortal Father, the Godfather, the God Almighty. Blessed be those small and big leaders, or of the people in fairness, especially among those teachers, lawyers, judges, and the lawmakers, for they balance the matters in things, food, shelters, and all of thy questions for man's order, or answers into thy questions for man's order, into the line square of thy exact reasons, rather than to be a coward into thy truth of conscience, only because of nothing and hungriness. Yun lang po. Maging matapang po tayo, hindi porke walang-wala po tayo, ay naduduwag po kayo sa katotohanan. Basta katotohanan, ipaglaban po natin. Dedicated ko po ito sa namayapang si Ninoy Aquino at sa Presidente ngayon ng Pilipinas na si Noynoy Aquino at sa Presidente ng Amerika at sa lahat ng mga naging Presidente sa Amerika, lalong-lalo na po sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po itong tula ko na ginawa. Maraming salamat po. Napakasarap matulog po kapag wala kang atraso. Salamat po. Good night po. Medyo inaantok na po ako. Thank you.